It's cute. I think it all worked out for the best. You know, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram, my Snapchat will be in the description down below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you put comments in there so I know what kind of videos y'all want me to do. Turn on that notification button so you can keep updated with me and everything that I'm doing. Okay? If you want to see this chubby face, this cute little chubby face again, you know, the video, like, thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay, with the silicone mix, you put 3 scoops in there, and then we're gonna put some hot water on that thing. Yes, mix it, girl. And then we putting our hair in there. Okay. And then we make sure we get every single last strand in there, ladies. This is how the hair should look in your bowl, completely saturated. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? All right, so we're starting off with my do-rag. Yes, I wear a do-rag right in my unit. I just washed it. Okay, looks, look, ooh, girl. All right, try to fix that thing. There goes the Ghost Bond. All right, now you put the Ghost Bond right above your edges, but me, I usually put it right there because as you can see, my hairline it goes farther than usual. So that's number 2. I'm going on the second round now. Okay, I'm smoothing that thing out. That thing smoothened out. Let it dry. Dance. Yeah, Millie. Dry. All right, now at this point, I'm putting the lace onto the glue. Trying to flatten that thing out. Rockstar, dude. All right, we're brushing it out. All right, trying to get that thing right. And now we flat ironing that bad boy. Yes. This wig still look like a helmet on my head. I need to get a new one. Child, please. All right. Another section. Getting it in. Oh, girl, yes. Shake it. Put it in the middle of your head. I always put it in the middle of my head to try to get it as flat as possible. Yes, all over your head. All right. And put a little bit more. You see, I tried to do something. Little curls. That's the finished. Okay, so this is the finished product. I do like my hair. I don't feel like I'm like super professional at doing it. Once again, I'm China Lee. Stop fucking playing with me. 2019.